to the Omoge Asa cultural pageantry this year. Look at the designs. No one will think that they're amateur though, and they just learned it. And Goldie, please come. A big thank you to Goldie. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So, and we're here today. We're coming back on Thursday. Coming back on Thursday for the crowning of the Omoge Asa 2020. You're all winners, you know, because what you have learned, you know, from your boot camp to this entrepreneurship program, you know, is going to be very valuable to you in the future. The bonding, you know, everything you have done together. So yes, there might be only one physical winner, but you are all wins and you're all winners. So good luck, and we shall see you on Thursday. Where are the members of staff who came for the training? Really? No wonder the colors came out well. From engineering. All the way from measurements and evaluation. I hope somebody is taking this footage. This city. Oh, wow. Our multi-managers. We are here.
Oh, yeah, we are here.
All the way from ICT, man. Look at
all the way from languages and literature.
All the way from languages
and literature.
Natural and applied science. Natural and applied science. Ever before. Thank you for taking part in our direct training. We love you. We love you too. Oh, yeah, take a look, Olori. We love you too.
Sorry, Sorry, sir.
They all came out so well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
My pleasure. A prophet. We can't wait. And then you tie it automatically. All you just get to do is so if you want it to be very, very perfect, you use a tape, a measuring tape, to measure a specific distance. Yes, just like this. You do the same way. So it is because we did not mark the line. That is why it's like this. As if we marked the line, it will be very perfect. So you know, I put water. So you arrange this part. After noting this part, you arrange this part and you knot. And it will come out. This is what will come out. Yes. See how beautiful it looks. If the fabric is here, if the fabric is not here, you can actually run it. Just like what I'm doing. What I mean by design, yes, all the fabric, all fabric, but there are some colors in the line, so all that you have to do. Tie-dye, you cannot use that one. You can use it for batik, yes. The final color will be black. Just like what you have at the so that is that about. Now making pattern on fabric on tie-dye. So you either use a tailor's chalk, blackboard chalk, or temporary marker to mark your fabric. So as she's teaching you now, everybody should identify the one they're going to do with the fabric. Are you going to do lale? Are you going to do marbling? Are you doing knotting? Are you doing, you know, so you all identify what you want to do. How many colors are you using? Are you doing a one color design, or are you doing 2 colors, or even 3 colors? Do you understand? Yes, ma'am. So that is that in our lines. Then if you are making a pattern on the fabric, if you want a pattern to come out, let's take love shape. Love.
Like a heart, the heart shape,
Heart
yes.
shape. So you fold your fabric. You fold it by breadth. By breadth. So if you want it to be just one fabric, that means you fold it just like this. But if you want the art to come out in two pieces, after folding it by breadth, you fold it. Please, can we have a pencil or
A pencil?
or temporary marker or chalk?
Does anyone have a pencil or chalk?
Anybody with pencil or chalk?
I'm fine.
She's trying to get it. So you have it this way, you determine the middle of the fabric. You know we have folded it into four. So we are determining the middle of the fabric. This is the middle. You mark it out. Now, the breadth, I folded the breadth into two. That means whatever design I'm having on this, you have to do half of the pattern because they are folded into breadth. So it becomes half of the pattern.
Can we give her some space, please? Can you move, maybe you move to this side so that she can have some space?
Measure, all you just need to do is rearrange your fabric. Automatically, it will give you the art. To keep giving you that art shape. So, nothing if you want. So, if you want it to be a one color design, you keep everything inside the color. But if you want it to be two colors, that means after knotting, you have to resist some parts with nylon. Yes, with watermelon and for you to do that. Yes, and then black rubber. That's a tube. Yes, cut tube out of the rope. Put your nylon. That part. Then not the nylon. So dip this side in the color. Dip the other side in another color. Or dip this part and this part. And he said yes, resist this part, resist other parts. Dip these two spaces in the same color. And then reverse one part. So that's about drawing shape. So even if the shape is going to be circle, if the shape is going to be circle, so that means we have to draw diameter after of the circle. If it is over, we'll draw after of the over. So whatever pattern we are having at the moment, we have because we have folded into two, and we folded by breadth. Yes, not length. That is that. And then I want to combine two designs together. The marbling and the spiral that we do. We can actually do spiral and marbling together on the fabric. What you just do is determine the middle of your fabric. Darker color. Darker color that will cover up the parts that are not needed. The parts that are not needed. So you have your design and you have the marble. Like what we have, okay, assuming I marble the fabric before the main design. So you have my marble, you have different colors coming out. The parts that I want. So from
so now, this one is a lover of blue. Sorry, in this class we only have two colors. Yes, purple and blue, or is this purple alone, or is this blue? There.
You always go extreme.
Yeah, that's fine. Someone might want to ask, what are the ratios
We don't need to, we don't have to school.
Oh, me, I'm not tired because I miss our test.
Sorry.
That's just
poets like this is landed.
You cannot do it because they are using t-shirts. Okay. No, this one. Please, are you dumb? They are using t-shirts. This one will not be as fine as this. So this
We need to make Adire. Come and mix it.
Where's the
this portion. How to use it? I'm not use this one. I'm not use anything.
Okay, what we
Oh, no. This is the golden one. I've made this one. Do you have empty bottle?
this one that you're holding. Yeah, also the one you are holding. Please, the one you are holding, please.
I'm coming. Let me do it on back.
Let him be the one to handle it now. Just like she went now.
I also love my design. Check it out. Check the design. Check the design. I have yellow, I have brown, I have gold. I have
I'm mixing lemon now. Please get me ordinary water. I mean ordinary water. Prof, please you have lemon. Pattern